Hello, Riz. Good afternoon, good morning, and welcome to this live presentation on YouTube. My name is Arif Gilany. I represent the Kurdish House, a non government, non profit organization that is aiding the earthquake victims the earthquake that happened in Syria and in Turkey, areas that are not accessible by most humanitarian organizations. Our president is currently in Iraq. I have been informed that the government of Canada is opening an initiative to help emergency efforts to reach the areas of the Turkey and also uh, Syria, Kurdish areas where they have been affected by this earthquake. If they have lost family members and they're stranded, many young people like my friends that are contacting me. Muhammad, for example, Mahmoud, he was working in Istanbul while his family was back in East where the earthquake happened. And unfortunately, in the earthquake, he lost all of his family and the building collapsed at night. So he is stranded. The initiative, humanitarian initiative that the government of Canada is putting together, is opening its registrations on March 31st in Turkey and in also Syria, perhaps some locations, or if you're a Syrian refugee that you have been in Istanbul working, perhaps waiting to be transferred, and you have lost your family, you can also contact us at our website. Please go to arifgilani.com, fill up a form, and contact us. Tell us that you are contacting about the earthquake, and we will put you in contact with the offices throughout Middle East that will accept applicants. On that note, I want to wish you all a happy Nowruz and all the best in the new year. If you subscribe to this channel on behalf of the Kurdish House, I will be making some announcements from time to time. The business owners who are already in the area, we are looking for your collaboration in bringing a community events together. There are public speaking opportunities available for those of you who are looking to put your voice or put your products out in the market. We are working with a great team of people. We have put the Gilani Leadership Academy together to help all of our friends, whether they're overseas through video communication, just like I'm doing right here, or in Canada in person in our events. So the doors are currently open. You can go on our website, www.arifgilani.com, and register there. If you are a refugee and person that's been affected by this earthquake, we look forward to hearing from you. Please fill up the form online so we can forward it to our contacts in Istanbul and in Turkey. If you are an entrepreneur just looking to shortcut the system, the education system, because we know that it will take a year or two or three, sometimes 5 years and 10 years for an immigrants to get familiar with all of the resources in Canada. So we have opened up the gates for immigrant entrepreneurs to use our resources to save time and valuable money. We will take you through a 90-day program. In a 90-day course, you will learn everything that you will need to be able to settle in Canada in less than a year, and with that, to put yourself in a position to actually succeed and be part of the immigrant entrepreneurs who start their own businesses and succeed, because we have over 3 decades put all of these methods and systems in practice, and we have learned a great deal of information from all of the experiences that we have gained, and we will put them in your service. So not only we're looking to work with humanitarian organizations on behalf of the Kurdish House and with government organizations as well. We have been contacted by various government organizations and MPs and MPPs to collaborate to create an educational course for immigrants where they can come and join the mainstream Canadian economy and contribute at the best capacity. I'm Arif Gilany. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe, share, and I look forward to hearing from you at www.arifgilani.com. Have a wonderful day and let me know if this message was clear and concise and communication was clear to the right person. Thank you and have a great day.